Calculated fields in Tableau provides a great way to create data using features and using dataset. The new calculated field is added as a new feature in dataset and is used to create analytical visualizations. So, if we begin with importing a sample substitute dataset using Microsoft Excel option, which we've already done, and moving on to sheet number 1, we uh, reduce profit measure and create a calculated field using it. Name the field as profit or quantity. So, the formula would be profit or quantity, right? Now, profit or quantity measure is created. We drag product name dimension into columns, and we'll drag profit per quantity measure into those shelf. Now the bar chart is created. We'll drag discount measure onto the color, and we'll sort the data using decrease in the decreasing order. Yeah, so finally we change the name, change the title of visualization as calculated appear. So alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.